hospitality industry includes hotels, restaurants, tourism events, and customer services. It is one of the world's fastest-growing industries and offers many career opportunities. Education and hospitality management equips students with skills in leadership, customer service, operations, marketing, and business management. However, women in this field often face unique challenges and opportunities related to access to education, career advancement, and leadership. Another importance of education and hospitality. Education and hospitality management helps individuals gain industry-specific skills. For examples are hotel operations, food service management. It can improve career prospects, build professional networks, prepare for leadership roles. Quality hospitality education combines classroom learning with real-world experience like internship and industry training.
Women in Hospitality Education. A is global participation. Women make up a large portion of students in hospitality programs worldwide. In many countries, the majority of hospitality students are female, especially in university, hospitality, and tourism courses. Benefits of women's participation. Women bring strengths in communication, empathy, multitasking, and organization, all valuables in hospitality work. Educated women are more likely to pursue management. Number 4 is barriers women face. Despite growth and opportunities, women often encounters obstacles. Like A, gender bias. Some employers may prefer men for senior positions due to stereotypes about leadership. Women may be overlooked for promotions or training opportunities. B is work-life balance challenges. Hospitality jobs can involve long hours, night shifts, and irregular schedules which may impact women who have family responsibilities. Next is limited role models. Fewer women in top management and executive positions makes it harder for young women to see a clear career path.
Positive trends and progress, increasing women leaders. Women are completing hospitality degrees, entering executive training programs, becoming entrepreneurs in tourism and hospitality. Programs supporting women. Organizations and universities are creating mentorships, program, and leadership development workshops, scholarships specifically for women in hospitality studies. This helps women gain confidence, skills, and professional support. Conclusion. Women play a crucial role in hospitality management, education, and industry. Education empowers them to build rewarding careers, become leaders, and contribute to a more diverse and effective workforce. Although challenges like gender bias and work-life balance remain ongoing, improvement shows promising and opportunities for women in hospitality.
Wait a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. And climbing to the top, will throw myself up in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people are saying, my God, that stuff, she stood him up. No point in us remaining, we may as well go home, 'cause I did all